over the past few days, I have found some very shocking information out when doing my daily research. Now, it started yesterday when I found this article talking about how silver is currently at all-time highs in all of these different global currencies. Check this out. Silver is currently at an all-time high in the Indian rupee, the Russian ruble, the Australian dollar, the African rand, and it's just below its all-time high in the Canadian dollar and the euro, and even the British pound. But why not the dollar? I highly recommend you go check out that video that I made yesterday covering this information. The dollar's not even near its all-time high with silver. So what's going on? But there's another article today that I want to follow through with. Silver is in a hidden global bull market. This is from jpost.com or the Jerusalem Post, and this is very interesting as well. But before we jump into this article, I do have to say, if you wanted to purchase some of this shiny stuff, then you can email me, slayer@milesfranklin.com, or call me 330-485-6172. Our new specials will be out tomorrow. Every single Monday, we have new gold and silver specials. So email me, say, hey, what are the specials this week? We have incredible prices, the lowest around, no minimum. My phone's on 24/7. I'll take care of you. So hit me up and make sure you subscribe because I do post daily videos. Now, silver is in a hidden global bull market. Silver's been lagging behind gold significantly, creating uncertainty for investors looking for opportunities in precious metals. They start by asking three very common questions that everyone asks, but listen how they break these questions down, showing their irrelevance, making a point loud and clear from these exact questions. This article was written very purposely and practically. I really like it. So, when will silver break out? When will silver start a bull market? Will silver ever be bullish given its tremendous lag compared to gold? They say, asking these if and when questions is not the right question to ask. It's already in a global bull market for many months. Asking these types of questions is irrelevant, confusing, and misleading. It all starts by the foundational question. Which data are we looking at? When looking at silver priced in dollars, it is understandable that a question, when will it start, comes up. However, when looking at silver in several other global currencies, we see a completely different picture. Breakouts to new all-time highs are all over the place. And they link the article that I covered in yesterday's video. Silver breaking out in all these different currencies. Indian rupee, the Russian ruble, the Australian dollar, the African rand. It's about to break out all-time highs in the Canadian dollar, in the euro, the British pound. So why not the dollar? But listen how they break this down. It reminds us of the optical illusion mystery that we were taught at school. On the next picture, you can see a witch, but simultaneously a nice young lady. All you have to do is change focus. This is similar to the market story data today. The silver story is a matter of focus. When applied to silver, the question is, in which currency are you assessing the silver market? Is it just and only in the dollar terms, or are you looking at silver denominated in multiple leading currencies beyond the dollar? The latter will paint a completely different picture, similar to the optical illusion Twisted mentioned above. Silver is in a hidden global bull market. Interestingly, and actually let me pause right there. And not only just this, silver's also, in dollar terms, is in a 44-year cup and handle. The most bullish chart that experts or chart analysis have said they've ever seen through any type of currency or asset. They said, not just talking about silver, they said, this is the most bullish chart pattern they've ever seen, a 44-year cup and handle. So whether this is related to the alleged silver suppression, currency divergences, or anything else is completely out of scope of our work. It may even be completely irrelevant to investors. What truly matters is that silver has printing a series of fresh all-time highs in currencies like the Indian rupee, Australian dollar. Moreover, in other global currencies like the Canadian dollar and euro, silver is inches away from hitting its all-time high. So it becomes clear that the global investor interest in silver is very strong, much stronger than silver in dollars, the story makes us believe. So let's review the silver charts priced in different global currencies. The matter of fact is that silver already made fresh new highs in quite some global currencies, especially, but only the ones named above. 2024, it shows all these currencies, right? Look at this. Look at this chart. That's the Indian rupee. Look at that chart. 2024. Look at the Australian dollar. Look at silver's price. Look at the Canadian dollar. Wait, what was the one above? Oh, that was Australian. This is Canadian dollar. Look at the euro right below. This, and the list goes on. What matters is this. The silver bull market is here since a while because silver's printing new all-time highs in several leading global currencies, while it is very close to hitting all-time highs in some others. But why isn't the dollar? Well, go check out my video yesterday if you want further in-depth analysis on that. So understanding these market and chart dynamics is crucial for positioning according to the primary market trend. The saying goes, don't fight the Fed. We would add, don't fight the primary market trend and be sure to have the right charts in front of you so you can clearly see those dominant trends. Wow, I like that. So while silver and USD may be lagging, the strong performance in other currencies illustrates that the global silver bull market is here for a while. The silver bull market has been forecasted to strengthen in the coming years, with silver reaching all-time highs in the latter half of this decade. Although this prediction has started to materialize in global markets, it has not yet reflected the dollar. What matters most is the primary silver trend, which remains bullish despite the lack of new highs in the dollar. The technical setups in various currencies signal that silver is on the verge of a powerful breakout as more investors recognize the potential of silver, especially in a world increasingly focused on inflation and economic uncertainty. The demand is likely to grow. And when demand grows, so does the price. Conclusion: silver's current lag in the dollar market does not diminish its value or potential as an investment. The strong performance in global currencies serves as a reminder of silver's potential. The highest probability outcome is that the global silver market continues to expand and silver in dollars will finally catch up. I like this. I actually like this site a lot. This website has been posting some incredible, and I mean incredible, news regarding silver. This is also the site that talked about silver completely, or how do they word it? The entire industry could, or silver's industrial demand could completely take over the market by 2025 or something like that. Forget how they worded it. It was an incredible article, though. I really want to find this, though. Where's it at? Where is it at? I really want to find this. Silver's industrial demand could consume the entirety of the market by 2025, something like that. Very good article. I highly recommend that you check out my video yesterday as well. Mainly because it gives backstory, right? It gives backstory to the article we just read, right? These articles go hand in hand. It talks about the information and then they take it a step further that you just read. So, you guys can check out this stuff if you want. They have other articles like 5 reasons why silver is the investment opportunity of the decade. Can silver rise to $100? 50-year price chart and its hidden message to investors. Silver chart now officially the most powerful bullish reversal in history. They make some another one, when exactly will silver hit $50? They make some really good articles, and their data is they're not going off conspiracy, right? Silver literally is at all-time highs in all these, and that's the difference between investors that go off of speculation and conspiracy and theory and investing with their heart, not their head. Silver's not the same story. People that say, "Oh, you're drinking the silver Kool-Aid," or you're just in your own bubble, you don't know what you're talking about. They don't know that silver's in a 44-year cup and handle. They don't know that silver's been there's a 770 million ounce deficit the last 4 years. They don't know that silver's at all-time highs and all these other currencies. They don't know any of that stuff. They just assume we're just picking silver out of a hat, or our friend told us about it, so we're just bullish because, not even because of gold. Someone who thinks silver is going to take off because of gold doesn't even know the real story of why silver has so much potential. So anyways, do your research, make sure you subscribe, and if you wanted to purchase some of this shiny stuff, you can email me, slayer@milesfranklin.com, call me 330-485-6172. Highly recommend that you subscribe because I post daily videos. I'll be doing a giveaway soon as well. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.